It's Matty Matheson.
I got a really deep confession. Saturday night, my children fast asleep. My wife, sleep apnea mask on. You, peanut butter, toast. Me, happy. This is the darkest confession I'm gonna tell you. Every time I walk in the walk-in and that door closes, the vortex begins, I'm sucked in. Guess what? It sucks. My ideas out of my head. What did I come in here for? I don't know. What did you need? You don't know. And then you see shrimp. And they're like, why don't you do something with us? We're shrimp. And I'm like, what? Coconut shrimp? Shrimp balls? Shrimp in a po' boy? Shrimp burger. Shrimp, maybe one of the most versatile foods in the world. You, the most versatile mayo. Every time I go into that walk-in, no matter what's happening, I always got you under my arm and a pocket full of shrimp. Kitchen confessions. I'm just like you. You heat me up, I don't break. I just sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Getting golden, frying up, and just taking in that heat. We're the same. That blue cap's beautiful. I know, I got one too. I'm trying to be like you. Kitchen confessions. Why is everybody always asking me about my tattoos? I was getting tattooed before all this like chefs getting tattoos thing. And people are just like, oh cool, you're a chef, you have tattoos? And I'm like, no, I don't have tattoos because I'm a chef. I have tattoos because I'm cool. You wanna go get a buddy tattoo? Forever, me, you, Mayo. Matty's Mayo. Little Matty Mayo, little heart. What do you want? Yeah, I think you're sexy. Are you kidding me?